Nobody loves it any more than the folks of Bean. They've got this annual carnival.
He's smiling for you.
I was knee-high to a snow cone. So when I heard it might not happen.
Yeah, you got paper.
You're on camera. What do you have in your hand?
What's in there? He thinks he's smiling for a picture.
Yeah.
What's in there? Caleb, what do you have? Uh-oh. What is it? What's this? What is it? It's a book.
Pull it out. What? There's a something. Pull that out of there. Look at this. Wow. Toys?
What is it, Caleb?
What is that?
Dog. Doggy. Yeah.
Shoes.
What am I supposed to do with these?
Okay.
It's okay. See?
So surprised.
Yeah, dog.
I got enough toys.
Like, where's my crib?
Oh.
You can do that dance move, yeah?
Yeah.
Great height. You love that.
Yeah.
Good job, Caleb.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. It's from
What is it?
Grandma Tutu and Grandpa Rich. Caleb, look inside. Caleb, what's in there?
What is it? Look. What's in there? Look, I'll help you.
What is it, Caleb?
You want to see?
It looks like
Okay.
clothes. I don't know.
Here.
It's a shirt and some pants.
Pajamas. Look at the bears on them. What are those? Bear. Bear. You want to
Yeah.
see this one too?
All right, he likes those bears. Yeah? How exciting to have tools. Tools of your own.
What's in here? What is it?
Caleb, what's in the...
Paper. Caleb, what's in here? What is that? You're happy.
You like your drill.
What is this? Oh.
Aww. Take a nap with giraffe. That's a good one, Caleb.
Open it with the drill. This festive shirt. Yeah, you're tired. This is a really soft. Mommy's big boy.